it spicy, so I'm using the spicy stir-fry oil, one of my favorites, to kick things off. I am using a non-stick pan here just to make things easier, and let's make a couple things clear just from the start. This is a kimchi fried rice. This is my version, first of all, very quick. And two, there's nothing Caribbean about this, so save the hate, save the old talk, Chris. Kimchi fried rice, Caribbean pot. Listen, this is just bringing back memories of my trip down to Seoul, South Korea many moons ago. And yo, I have some extra rice in the fridge there. And again, this is just lunch for one person. I've done saltfish fried rice. I've done all different types of fried rice. So if you want to go to CaribbeanPot.com and get a Caribbean version of fried rice, head over there and do your thing. Today we're doing this kimchi fried rice. And as I've said, we made things clear. It is not Caribbean. I like adding garlic to my kimchi fried rice. Any opportunity to use garlic, and you know, I'm on there. I'm just gonna get that oil nice and fragrant with the garlic that we got there. And I don't want this to be in there for all that long, just to get a little bit of color and to flavor up the oil a bit. Time for the kimchi to make an appearance. And I like doing it like this, so I can cook all the kimchi just a little bit in that oil. It's going to flavor the oil, and it's going to help add a lot of flavor to the rice. And the rice is just a cup and a half of rice that I have in the fridge there that I had for dinner last night. And again, this is just my lunch. Kimchi fried rice for one. I just wanted to pull some flavor out of that, so I'm going to give that about 2 or 3 minutes. All this while my heat has been on medium high. Couple tips I want to leave with you guys. The liquid from the kimchi, if you wanted to set that aside, I'm not going to add it because I don't like soggy fried rice, but if you wanted to add that liquid later on, you can do that. The other thing about the garlic, if you wanted to fry it and get it nice and crispy, you can do that also and use it as a topping for the rice. It's been 4 minutes since I added the kimchi to the pot here, and I wonder just how many of you freaking out. Chris is using a metal spoon on a non-stick pan, but if you pay attention, you'll notice I'm barely making contact with the surface of that pan. Now it's time to add your rice, and my rice is just day old. It's been in the fridge. Well, it's been boiled in salted water. Parboiled brown rice. All I want to do is give that a good mix. I'm making a mess on the stove, but so be it. An incredible mess, it seems. I'm not the biggest fan of sesame oil, so I'm going in sparingly in there just to give it that little smoky sesame sort of je ne sais quoi. Hit that another little stir. And the last thing I want to add is some scallions or green onions in there. I'm just waiting for that rice to warm through. It's fresh out of the oven, so it won't take long now. And yo, it's that simple. You have a tasty little kimchi fried rice here. You can play around with what you want to add in here, yeah, but I'm on cool with what I have here. If you wanted to add some sausage in here, some chicken, some beef, some pork, whatever it is, you want to add some more kimchi, yo, rock that kimchi. If kimchi is your thing, yo, smile and press on. Sup, soldiers? Listen, if you enjoy this recipe, I'd really appreciate it if you hit subscribe and click that bell notification thing. If you've made the recipe, take a picture and send it to me. Email address down here. I mean, trying to tell people the email address, them butts will take the address and do all kind of thing with it. And tag me on Instagram at Caribbean Pot. I really appreciate you guys, and thanks for being in my kitchen with me today. Irie? Chris here, CaribbeanPot.com. Quick and tasty kimchi fried rice done my way. If you wanted to top it with an egg, you can certainly do that. I'm going to tuck in, I'm going to enjoy this. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click.